It's break time cards. Time for a break. Today we're opening a hanger box of the 25-26 Topps Chrome Basketball. So 15 total cards. It's over $1 per card for what I paid for these things. So terribly overpriced, but I'm not telling you something that you probably don't already know. So we're going to go ahead and open up this hanger pack of cards. Might be the only break I do of this particular set, just due to the price. All right, let's go ahead and see who we have. Brandon Miller, Suggs, Terrence Mann, Harrison Barnes. Okay, so looks like we have a prism refractor here, Spencer Dinwiddie. Okay. There's a regular refractor of Taylor Horton Tucker. What is this? Ja Morant. Fear No One, inspirational. Okay. Nice insert there. Follow that up with a Danny Wolf Youthquake rookie card. And then the rest of our cards in the pack, Jrue Holiday. Oh, there's Dirk. Okay. And Luke Cornett. So, I guess out of these, we got some cool inserts, and I'll take the Dirk. So there you go. Be sure to like, follow, and subscribe for more basketball content right here on It's Break Time Cards. Break time is over.